So, we have a table that has a consistent pattern with the region column featuring 3 rows each for Central, East and West before repeating themselves. If you've got a table like this, you might want to make it more visually friendly. Now, there is the banded rows option that tables provide, but it only shades every other row. If you want more flexibility, use conditional formatting. Select your data, go to the conditional formatting drop-down on the Home tab and choose New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format and enter this one. Then go to Format and on the Fill tab, pick a row color. Click OK. OK, and voila, we have our yellow rows in blocks of 3. For the blank ones, we need to create another rule that uses the same formula, except the 𝑖s_even function is used instead of 𝑖s_odd. There we have it. These formulas reference E1, allowing us to change the number of rows per block, depending on our preference. For more details, please see the accompanying post.